Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to send an email to multiple people in Gmail. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, you just need to go over into your Gmail. So after coming on Gmail, we just need to go for compose, and then here we just need to select where we want to send the email. Like I'm choosing this mediafundshop@gmail.com, and also I was going to choose over here into the two section. Like this one called mahfuzurrahman4393@gmail.com. If I choose another Gmail over here or email ID called mtelecom017@gmail.com, so you can see we can select couple of email over here, and then we can make the same subject for these three. Like I'm choosing fine arts. And if I send it, it will go for the same for these three option or three email over here. So this is how you can send email to multiple people in Gmail. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in the videos. Till then, goodbye.